Hello and welcome to another episode of Bonding Through Numbers. I'm your host, Matthew Clifford, and today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart: incorporating math into everyday activities to make learning both fun and meaningful for you and your kids. Whether you have toddlers or teenagers, these practical tips can help transform your daily routines into exciting learning opportunities. Let's start by talking about the importance of math in our everyday lives. Math isn't just confined to the classroom or homework time. It's present in almost everything we do, from cooking and shopping to playing games and even having conversations. By integrating math into daily activities, we not only help our children strengthen their math skills, but we also create a foundation for lifelong learning. Math becomes less intimidating and more approachable when it's presented in the context of everyday life. One of the most engaging ways to incorporate math into daily routines is through cooking. Cooking offers a delicious opportunity for learning about fractions, measurements, and even basic arithmetic. Imagine preparing a meal together. You can invite your kids to measure ingredients, discuss proportions, and even explore concepts of doubling or halving recipes. Ask questions like, if a recipe calls for 2/3 of a cup of flour and we want to double it, how much will that be? These simple activities make math tangible and relatable. Another everyday activity that can become a math adventure is counting during family outings. Whether you're on a road trip or just a walk around the neighborhood, there are countless opportunities for counting games. You might count the number of red cars on the road, birds in the sky, or even the number of steps on a hike. Games like these not only enhance counting skills, but also turn these moments into shared, memorable experiences. Grocery shopping is another fantastic opportunity to teach kids about math in a practical context. Use this time to talk about budgeting and estimating costs. Give your kids the task of calculating the total as you shop or determining how to spend a certain amount on groceries. Discuss prices, discounts, or weights, and ask questions like, if we buy 2 pints of strawberries, how much will it cost? This exercise helps children see how math applies to real-world scenarios while also teaching valuable life skills. Engaging in math-themed crafts or DIY projects can also be a lot of fun. Building with blocks can teach geometry and spatial awareness, while measuring for a small home project might involve using rulers or tapes to calculate dimensions. Activities like these encourage problem-solving and creativity, and they reinforce the idea that math isn't just about numbers on a page. It's a tool we use to understand and shape the world around us. Then there are games, one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to integrate math. Board games and puzzles that involve numbers or strategy, such as Monopoly or Sudoku, are excellent choices. They offer opportunities for learning addition, subtraction, and even probability. Playing these games together not only boosts math skills, but also fosters strategic thinking and strengthens family bonds. As we look at these activities, it's essential to keep them lighthearted and fun. The goal isn't to turn every moment into a math lesson, but to incorporate math naturally into your everyday life. This approach helps prevent any pressure or stress on kids, encouraging open conversations about how math is relevant in various aspects of life can make learning more engaging and enjoyable. Sharing personal experiences or anecdotes can also enhance these learning moments. Talk about times when math helped you solve a problem or complete a task. Storytelling is a powerful tool and can show kids the practical value of math. By illustrating the joy and utility of math through real-life examples, you encourage them to approach mathematical challenges with curiosity and confidence. To wrap up this episode, we've explored multiple ways to incorporate math into everyday activities. From cooking and crafting to shopping and playing games, each activity provides a valuable opportunity to learn and bond with your children. These interactions not only enhance mathematical skills, but also create strong, lasting memories. Mathematics becomes a shared journey, one that enriches the fabric of your family's daily life and helps foster deeper connections with your kids. Thank you for joining me today on Bonding Through Numbers. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they inspire you to turn ordinary routines into extraordinary learning experiences. Remember, the key to fostering a love for math and for learning in general is to keep it engaging and relevant. Tune in next time for more insights and tips on how to bond with your children through the magic of math. Until then, keep exploring, keep counting, and most importantly, take care.